The fox population in a certain region has an annual growth rate of 8% per year. In the year 2012, there were 22,900 foxes counted in the area. What is the fox population predicted to be in the year 2020? We're going to round our answer to the nearest whole number. So we want to be able to use the general growth formula. And if you recall, the general growth formula is going to be the following. We know that it's going to equal A, which is equal to P times 1 plus R to the power of N. So what's given in our problem? Well, we know that A is the population after time N. So A is the population after time N, which is what we're looking for. We know that P is going to represent the initial population. And so the initial population in 2012 is 22,900. And then we have the yearly growth rate. So R is the yearly growth rate. Which is equal to 8%, which we can write as a decimal as 0.08. And then N is going to represent the time. So N is the time. And so in order to find the time, we know it's going to be 2020 minus 2012, which is equal to 8 years. So now we want to predict what happens in 2020. So in 2020, the predicted population is the following. We have A, which is equal to P, which is 22,900, times 1 plus the value of R, which is 0.08, raised to the power of N, which is 8. So therefore, this is going to equal 22,900 times 1.08 to the 8th power. So let's go ahead and solve that. So on our calculator, we're going to take 1.08, we'll raise that to the 8th power, and then once we hit enter, then we're going to multiply that number by 22,900. And so therefore, we get approximately 42,386.30. So 42,386.30. And they want us to round the answer to the nearest whole number. So that's going to be approximately 42,386. And that's foxes.